We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1970 Monte Carlo SS, LS2 power, Magnuson supercharger, 610 horsepower. Just an absolute beast. Four-wheel disc brakes, steering, AC, tilt, power window, the Dakota digital gauges. Just a super cool restomod. Gorgeous car. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work is nice on it. Does appear to have the original grille on it. There is some small patina on it, but still shows extremely nice. Same with the original hood ornament there. Just a cool car. Continental tires all the way around. Dash is nice. Fly in and check it out in person, you can go to Lambert International, St. Louis International, one and the same. Be more than happy to pick you up. If you want to send an inspector out, we'll be more than happy to do that as well. Minding my camera back there. Just a nicely done car. Thanks for watching. Call us at 314-346-6039 with any questions. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thank you. Bye.